girls, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're on the hunt for the cutest Chelsea boots for this fall and winter, let me show you these ones I got here. These are by PIZZ ANNU Women's Fashion Chelsea boots. This is a 2-inch block heel which gives you comfortness and stability. I also love the fact that it has no zipper, no laces, so that means that they're super easy to put on and take off, which that's definitely a plus. It has a non-slippery outsole, which is very practical, and this is a must for me since it's always raining or snowing where I live. You're going to see too that not only are they beautiful in the outside, it has a soft lining in the inside, which makes it even better. These Chelsea boots are super fashionable and they go perfect with either skirt or pants. I promise you are gonna love them and you're gonna get so many compliments. PIZZ ANNU provides comfort, style, and quality all the way around, and that is my point of view.